How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually switch back to your personal account on Instagram, maybe right now you have a professional account and then you would like to switch back to personal, open up Instagram, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and when you come to the profile page you can currently see that I have a professional account. So just make sure to tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen here, and from here you want to simply look for an option known as business tools and controls, or maybe like account type or something like that. So you want to simply go ahead and then look for such type of options over here. So when you go to, let's say, business tools and controls here, scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find an option known that says switch account type. So tap on switch account type and then select the option called switch to personal, and then just tap on switch to personal and your account will get successfully switched back to your personal account. This way you can basically switch your Instagram account back to personal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.